Joel here, TorqueKing4x4, doing a little bit of research today. On my left we have an S110 out of a 2012 F550. And on my right we have an S111 out of a 2008 Dodge Ram 4500. They're both Dana Spicer axles. Some similarities, but not that much that is exactly the same. Taking measurements of everything and seeing what we can find out for our own purposes.
Joel here from TorqueKing4x4, going a little bit more behind the scenes on what we do for research. On the right here is a hub out of an S110 out of the 2012 F550 that we just finished doing a service video on. And then on my left here is the S111 hub from the 2008 Ram 4500. Hubs are pretty much identical. You use the same wheel bearings, same flanges, same rotors. Very, very similar. The biggest difference here is the size of the wheel studs. And the biggest difference there really is the size of the shoulder. The Ford uses a smaller shoulder and a metric thread pattern. So this is a M14 by 1.5, while the Ram uses a 9/16 by 18 pattern for the lug nuts. And then obviously they don't on the same size shoulder, so they can't be placed interchangeably into the hubs. Other than that, these hubs are identical. And so we're just taking some measurements, making double, triple checking everything, making sure that these would be compatible with the right size studs in them. And it's another part of the research that we do here. There's some other comparisons that we're doing, but this is the one I wanted to focus on because these are the closest parts. The wheel ends on these axles are almost identical. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. Be sure to stay tuned on what we got coming up on YouTube. We got a Rockster axle service video series coming up for the front and rear axles on those. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Remember, if you want to do it right the first time, TorqueKing4x4 for all your drivetrain parts.